Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something that sounds like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie, but is actually backed by some fascinating science. We're talking about vibration plates and how they might just be one of the most interesting hacks for boosting your bone density. If you're looking for new ways to support your skeletal health, you're going to want to stick around for this. So, what exactly are these things? You've probably seen them at the gym or in physical therapy clinics. A vibration plate or whole body vibration platform is a machine you stand, sit, or even do exercises on. When you turn it on, it vibrates at a specific frequency and amplitude, sending tiny, rapid vibrations up through your body. It feels a bit like standing on a slightly shaky platform, but what's happening on a microscopic level is where the magic really begins. Our bones are amazing living tissues. Constantly remodeling themselves in a process where old bone is broken down and new bone is built. This process is heavily influenced by the physical loads and stresses we put on our skeleton. It's a use it or lose it system. When you do weight-bearing exercises like running, jumping, or lifting weights, the impact and muscle contractions create stress on your bones. This stress signals your body to say, hey, we need to be stronger to handle this. In response, your bone-building cells, called osteoblasts, get to work, laying down new bone tissue and making your skeleton denser and more resilient. This is where vibration plates come in. They create a similar effect, but in a unique way. The high-frequency vibrations cause your muscles to contract and relax dozens of times per second. It's an involuntary reflex. These rapid-fire muscle contractions create a mechanical load on your bones, mimicking the effects of conventional exercise. It's like tricking your body into thinking it's working out much harder than it actually is, stimulating those osteoblasts to ramp up bone formation. The idea isn't new. It actually has roots in research for astronauts who experience significant bone loss in the zero-gravity environment of space. Now, let's get into the science. Several studies have explored the connection between whole-body vibration and bone mineral density, or BMD. Some research has shown promising results, particularly for postmenopausal women, who are at a higher risk for osteoporosis. For example, a study published in the Journal of Bone and Mineral Research found that postmenopausal women who used a vibration plate for a few minutes a day, several times a week, showed an increase in hip bone density compared to a control group. Other studies have found similar benefits, suggesting that whole-body vibration can be a valuable tool for either increasing or at least slowing down the rate of bone loss. It's important to be realistic, though. Vibration therapy isn't a miracle cure that will replace all other forms of exercise. The scientific community is still actively researching the most effective frequencies, amplitudes, and durations. Some studies show significant effects, while others are less conclusive. The results can vary depending on the individual, the type of machine used, and the specific vibration settings. Think of it as a powerful supplement to a healthy lifestyle, not a replacement for it. The best results often come from combining vibration therapy with traditional weight-bearing exercises and a balanced diet rich in calcium and vitamin D. So, who is this for? Well, it can be beneficial for a wide range of people. It's a fantastic option for individuals who might find high-impact exercises difficult or painful. If you have joint issues, mobility limitations, or are recovering from an injury, the low-impact nature of vibration plates can be a game changer. It allows you to stimulate your bones and muscles without putting excessive strain on your joints. It's also gaining popularity among older adults who want to maintain bone strength and reduce their risk of falls, as improved muscle strength and balance are also key benefits. Even athletes are using them for recovery and to enhance muscle activation. If you're thinking about trying one, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, not all vibration plates are created equal. There are two main types: pivotal and linear. Pivotal platforms rock from side to side, like a seesaw, which more closely mimics the natural movement of walking. Lineal platforms move straight up and down. Both can be effective, but they feel different, and some research suggests one might be better for certain goals than the other. It's a good idea to try both if you can. The settings also matter immensely. The frequency, measured in hertz, and the amplitude, the distance the plate moves, are key. Lower frequencies are often used for balance and relaxation, while higher frequencies are typically used for building muscle and bone density. It's crucial to start slow. Begin with shorter sessions, maybe just 5 to 10 minutes, and use a lower intensity. You can gradually increase the duration and intensity as your body adapts, and always listen to your body. It should feel like a workout, maybe a little tingly, but it should never be painful. To get the most out of your session, you're not just going to stand there passively. Engaging your muscles is key. You can stand in a slight squat position to activate your leg and glute muscles. You can perform exercises like squats, lunges, calf raises, or even push-ups with your hands on the plate. This active engagement multiplies the benefits. As you're combining the vibration stimulus with traditional strength training movements, a typical routine might involve 10 to 15 minutes of various exercises on the plate 3 to 5 times a week. Now, a very important note: while vibration therapy is safe for most people, it's not for everyone. If you are pregnant, have a pacemaker, have recently had surgery, have acute thrombosis, or have certain other medical conditions, you should avoid using a vibration plate. It is absolutely essential to talk to your doctor or a physical therapist before starting any new exercise regimen, especially one involving a device like this. They can help you determine if it's a safe and appropriate choice for your specific health situation. Your safety should always be the number one priority. So, let's wrap this up. Are vibration plates a legitimate hack for bone density? The evidence suggests that yes, they can be a very effective tool, especially when used correctly and as part of a broader health strategy. They offer a low-impact way to stimulate bone growth, improve muscle strength, and enhance balance. They're not a magic pill, but they are a powerful biohack that can complement your existing fitness routine. By sending those unique vibrations through your body, you're giving your bones the signal they need to stay strong and healthy. It's an exciting field of health technology, and I'm sure we'll see even more research on it in the coming years. If you've ever used a vibration plate, I would love to hear about your experience. What did you think? Did you notice any benefits? Drop your stories and questions in the comments below. Let's get a conversation going. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you found this information helpful and maybe a little inspiring. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more cool ways to optimize your health, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our future videos. Stay strong, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next one.